We're going to start with a crocheted afghan and fold it in half. For this project, you're going to want to use a sweater that you already have. I want the bottom of the sweater to match the bottom of the afghan. And now I'm going to cut around it. I want to leave a width of about 4 fingers from the edge of the sweater out to where I'm cutting. So I'm going to cut out the pieces between the arm and the body on both sides. And then I'm going to cut on top on just a diagonal line, kind of leaving a nice big space on the neck. Finally, I am going to cut apart this piece on the top where it's folded, just so I have a front piece and a back piece. Now we're ready to stitch this together. You could use a sewing machine for this, but mine isn't quite heavy duty enough to handle this thick of a blanket here. So I'm using a larger needle and some heavy duty thread. Now, because you're sewing together yarn here, you want to use a stitch that's really close together and you want to capture all those loose ends so it stays together. You want to make sure you leave the bottom open, obviously, and 2 holes for the arms. So you're going to do this on both sides of the sweater. When you get to the very top, this is kind of a wide neck opening. It's going to look like a cowl, kind of slouchy neck. So I'm going to pull down one side and just hem this. So I'm not sewing all the way through. I'm just sewing this folded over piece together so it's hemmed. So now that everything is stitched, we are going to turn this right side out so that those seams are on the inside. When you're doing this, be very careful and keep an eye out for any places where there may be gaps. You may need to take your needle and thread and go back in there and stitch it together a little bit. This is such a simple way to upcycle an old afghan that's not working in your home anymore. A few cuts, a little hand stitching, and you've got yourself a fun, unique, slouchy sweater. It's going to keep you nice and warm in the winter. I hope this inspired you to go create something unique. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.